Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to recover a stolen phone or know who stole your phone in a very simple way. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video before broadcasting in the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video and thank you. Now let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the first pinned comment and download this application, which I will leave you a link in the first pinned comment. What is its installation? You open it and this interface will open for you. There are two options. You will choose the first option, which is I want to recover my phone if it is completed or if it is stolen. After that, you click on the first option, which is I want to recover my phone if it is completed or if it is stolen. After that, you click on the next. Here, what type of lock is on your phone? Is it a pattern lock, PIN code or password? You choose the type of lock on your phone. I have a password lock. Choose a password. After that, click on the next. After that, my friend, here you will find this interface. Click on the next, then click on the next and give it the permissions it needs for notifications and working in the background as well as the site. Click on the next here in this box, my friend, it is very important. This box, you click on the email and activate it and enter your email. You choose your email and activate it from here. What is the role of this feature? The role of this feature, my friend, is that if your phone is stolen or someone grabs your phone and tries to unlock your phone or your phone screen, the phone will automatically take a picture or video and will send you that picture or video via the Gmail that you entered here. So, my friend, this version is very important. After entering the email and activating it, you click on the next, then, my friend, here you will find this interface. Now it tells you that you have to try the phone if it is or the method if it works or not. Then you enter an incorrect code for your phone screen and you will see what will happen. It tells you an incorrect entry number. Now, my friend, when you entered this incorrect code, your phone will take a picture of you and thus it works. It will take a picture of anyone who enters an incorrect code and sends it to your Gmail. As you can see, here it is. By photographing it now, my friend, all you have to do is that if your phone is stolen, go to your Gmail and you will find that the application sent you a picture of the person who stole your phone. If you know him, recover your phone. If you do not know him, just go to the police and show them a picture of the person who stole your phone. After that, they will recover your phone. This is this application in the free version and the paid version. The free version is limited. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. Write it in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.